Hello. Today we're going to talk about using NoodleTools to keep track of our sources. This is part one, where we're going to talk about manual citations. So manually inputting the information that we found from a website or a book or another resource into NoodleTools. So to start, we're going to log in to NoodleTools. Once we're in NoodleTools, we're going to create a new project. My project is about Malcolm X. So I'm going to name my project Malcolm X. And I'm going to go to the Sources tab. I found a new source. It's a biography of Malcolm X from biography.com. It does have some advertisements, but it has a lot of information about Malcolm X. And I really like that it has some useful citation information at the end. So this is the information I'm going to use to create my citation. So it's super helpful to put your windows side by side so you can do this simultaneously. So I'm going to go to Create New Citation. This is from a website that is like an anthology or collection. And I'm going to input the information into NoodleTools from biography.com. So the name of the container website, this is biography.com. The URL, I'm going to copy and paste. I'm going to say that my most recent date of access was today. The title of the anthology or multi-volume work is a Malcolm X biography. And the contributors, we can say we had editors, and the last name or group is biography.com editors. The year that it was created was 2014. And I'm ready to save my citation. And you will see biography.com editors, Malcolm X biography, 2014, biography.com, the URL, and the access date. So that's how you manually input a citation.